Can you prove the existence of God through science? Yes. The answer is yes. And I did make a 40-minute long video about it, and I had received a comment of this guy, really good guy. Thank you so much for your comment. Saying, could you please, something to the effect of try to be brief about it, go straight to the point with the title, and I'll do my best, brother, to go straight to the point. But I even responded with, this is not a topic which you can actually go quick about, because it's a very complex topic. But let me tell you this. Of course, I'll put that video somewhere around here, but there's not a one-size-fits-all type and kind of experiment which you can go through and perform in order to prove God's existence, because when it comes to proving God's existence, it's not a one-size-fits-all thing which works for everyone, and you can be able to prove it and then show it to other people in order to prove it to other people. It's actually something that you experience and you prove it to yourself by conducting that experiment, which is through a direct relationship. And of course, it's one of the main forms. That's, of course, there's so many ways, but it all, boils down to basically, building a relationship with God. But I actually explained it. How can you build a relationship with God? Because I talk to God and he doesn't come here, he doesn't come down here. So I made a video about it, and I'll probably put it somewhere around here. All right. So yeah, just click it here. It's here somewhere. Maybe here, maybe here. Jesus loves you.